Many people often wonder why some individuals who are considered to be millionaires seem to be living a relatively modest lifestyle, while others who are not as wealthy flaunt their wealth and live extravagantly. The reason for this can be attributed to the way in which millionaires choose to spend their money. In this video, we will tell you some reasons why millionaires appear to be broke, how they spend their money. One of the main reasons why some millionaires appear to be broke is because they are extremely frugal with their spending. They believe that the key to achieving financial stability and wealth is to live below their means and save as much money as possible. They avoid frivolous expenses and invest their money wisely, rather than using it to purchase luxury items or live a lavish lifestyle. Another reason why some millionaires appear to be broke is because they have a long-term investment strategy. They understand that the key to achieving financial success is to invest in assets that will appreciate in value over time, such as real estate or stocks. Instead of spending their money on cars, clothes, or other luxury items that lose value over time, they choose to put their money into investments that will grow and generate income over time. Many millionaires also choose to use their wealth to help others through charitable donations or philanthropic causes. They understand that their wealth is not just a means to an end, but also a tool to make a positive impact on the world. They believe that by giving back to the community and helping those in need, they are not only fulfilling a moral obligation, but also investing in the future of society as a whole. In addition, some millionaires also choose to live a relatively modest lifestyle to avoid drawing attention to their wealth and to avoid being targeted by criminals or scammers. They understand that by keeping a low profile and not flaunting their wealth, they can avoid putting themselves and their loved ones at risk. Another reason why some millionaires may appear to be broke is that they have a large amount of debt. Despite having a high net worth, they may have taken on a significant amount of debt to invest in their business or real estate ventures. This can make it appear as though they are living paycheck to paycheck, even though they technically have a high net worth. Additionally, many millionaires also choose to invest in assets that are not immediately visible, such as hedge funds or private equity. These investments may not be as flashy as a luxury car or designer handbag, but they can generate significant returns over time. This can make it difficult for others to accurately gauge the true wealth of a millionaire. Another reason why some millionaires may appear to be broke is that they are saving for a specific goal. They may have a long-term plan to retire early, purchase a new property, or start a new business, and they are saving aggressively to achieve these goals. This can make it seem as though they are living a modest lifestyle, when in reality, they are simply saving for a future goal. Another reason why millionaires may appear to be broke is that they have a high level of income, but also have high expenses. They may have a high salary, but also have a high mortgage, expensive private schools for their kids' taxes, and other high expenses that might not be visible to outsiders. Some millionaires may choose to live a modest lifestyle simply because they prefer it. They may find more joy and satisfaction in living a simple, unassuming life, rather than flaunting their wealth and buying extravagant possessions. Another reason why some millionaires may appear to be broke is that they have a high level of self-discipline and control over their spending habits. They may have a strict budget and stick to it, only spending money on what is truly necessary and avoiding impulse buys. They also avoid lifestyle inflation, which is the tendency to increase one's spending as their income increases. By keeping their expenses in check, they can maintain their wealth and save for the future. Another reason why some millionaires may appear to be broke is that they have a high level of financial literacy and understanding of personal finance. They understand the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing for the future. They also understand the difference between assets and liabilities and the importance of having a healthy balance sheet. They may appear to be broke because they prioritize financial security over immediate consumption. Some millionaires may choose to invest in assets that do not provide immediate returns, such as startups or in a new business venture. These investments can take time to mature and may not provide a significant return for a while, making it difficult for others to gauge their true wealth. Moreover, some people may be looking at the millionaire's net worth rather than their cash flow. This means that the millionaire may have a lot of assets that they have invested in, but they may not have cash readily available to spend. This could make them appear broke to others, even though they are actually quite wealthy. Another reason why some millionaires may appear to be broke is that they may have multiple streams of income. They may have invested in several businesses or have multiple sources of passive income, such as rental properties or stock dividends. This can make it difficult to gauge their true wealth, as they may not be drawing a large salary from one source. Another reason why some millionaires may appear to be broke is that they are saving for a rainy day. They may have a significant amount of wealth, but they also understand the importance of having an emergency fund in case something unexpected happens. They may not be spending their money on luxury items, but rather saving it for unexpected expenses or for a future financial crisis. Additionally, some millionaires may choose to invest in assets that are not immediately visible, such as cryptocurrencies or alternative investments. These types of investments may not be as well known or as easy to understand as traditional investments, but they can provide significant returns. This can make it difficult for others to accurately gauge the true wealth of a millionaire. Moreover, some millionaires may choose to live a modest lifestyle because they have a strong sense of personal values and principles. They may not want to be associated with the superficiality and materialism often associated with wealth, and may prefer to live a simpler life. They may not want to be associated with the negative connotations associated with wealth, like greed or elitism. Finally, it's worth noting that some millionaires may choose to live a modest lifestyle to avoid attracting unwanted attention or to maintain their privacy. They may not want to be viewed as a target for fraud or scams, and may prefer to keep their wealth and lifestyle private. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.